students, let us start divisibility test. What is a divisibility test? In divisibility test, we determine or find out whether a number can divide another number without actual division. बिना एक्चुअल डिवीजन किए हुए हम ये बता सकते हैं कि कोई एक नंबर किसी दूसरे नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता. फॉर दैट we have two videos. In part 1 video we will learn from number 1 to 10, and in part 2 video we will do 11 and further. So at the end of this video you will understand whether a number can divide another number or not. So first is first, and every number can be divided by 1. So 1 is factor of every number and 1 can divide every number. So there is no special test for that. Let us go to 2, test by 2. So all even numbers can be divided by 2. All even numbers can be divided by 2. And what are even numbers? Even numbers are the number which has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the unit place. So if a number at unit place have either of the digit, अगर किसी के unit place पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if either of the digit is there in any number, the number is divisible by 2. Let us take an example. 6, 4, 3, 9, 8, 4. This is such a big number, but by only seeing that unit place we have 4, so the number is divisible by 2. Okay, if a big number is there, 4, 6, 2, 3, 9, whether this number is divisible by 2 or not divisible, because at unit place this is 9, so it is odd number, so any odd number cannot be divided by 2. For dividing by 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at unit place, if these are numbers there, we can divide that number with 2. So this is very simple test. Next is 3, divisibility test by 3. If sum of the digits can be divided by 3, then number can be also be divided by 3. For example, this is number. So how to calculate sum of the digit? 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Let us add it. 4 and 3, 7, and 5, 12, and 6, 18. Okay, and this 18 is in table of 3. 18 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. So for testing 3, what we do? We add all digits, and if sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the total number is divisible by 3. Let us take another example. 6, 4, 2, 5. For example, this is the number. Let us add the digit. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, what is the sum? 6 and 4, 10, or 2, 12, and 5, 17. Okay, so 17 is not divisible by 3, so this number is also not divisible by 3. Okay, so let us move towards 4. 4. If the number formed by unit and tens digit is divisible by 4, then number will be divisible by 4. Like this example. Number formed by unit and 10 digit. This is 24. Okay. 24 is divisible by 4. 4 6 are 24. That means this number is also divisible by 4. Okay. So number with the unit and tens digit is 24, which is divisible by 4. The number is also divisible by 4. Take another example. 5, 4, 3, 2. So what we do? Number formed by unit and tens digit, which is 32. 4 9s are 36. 36 is divisible by 4. That means this complete number is also divisible by 4. Okay. Let us move to next. 5. Very simple test for 5. If at the unit place of a number either 0 or 5 is there, then the number is divisible by 5. If at unit place 0 or 5 is there, the number is divisible by 5. For example, this number. At unit place we have 0, means this number is divisible by 5. Let us take another example. 4, 5, 3, 6, 5. Whether this number is divisible by 5 or not. Yes, because at unit place 5 is there, 5 is among 0 and 5. So this complete number is divisible by 5. Okay, let us move next. Test by 6. Okay, before going to test by 6, let us understand a basic concept. Coprime. What is coprime? Two numbers are said to be coprime if their HCF is 1. For example, 2 and 3. There is nothing common between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is together called as coprime. Okay. So let us move to test by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, both, then the number will be divisible by 6. Okay. Whenever we are to looking for the test for 6, means we need to find out two coprimes. 2 and 3 are two coprimes. If the number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, then the number will also divisible by their multiple, that is 6. So very simple test for 6. We need to check whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. So one thing, it is very clear that if a number is divisible by 2, then it has to be even. So what we need to check only, if it is even number, then we need to check only that. If it is divisible by 3, it will be divisible by 6. So every even number which is divisible by 3 will be divisible by 6. Okay, let us take example. 34620. This is divisible by 2 clearly because at unit place 0 is there, so it is even, divisible by 2. Now we have to check 3. For checking 3, what we need to do? We need to add the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. 3 and 4, 7 and 2, 9 plus 0, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 6. So for checking whether a number is divisible by 6, what we need to do? First, we can see whether it is even number or not. Then we just check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. For checking 3, what we do? We add the digits. So in simple term, we can do this. Okay. So let us move next. By 8. Okay. If the number formed by unit, 10 and 100 digits. Okay. Like in 4 we have seen last two digit, that is unit digit and tens digit. For 8, what we are looking for? Unit, 10 and 100 digits. So number formed by last 3 digits, if divisible by 8, the number will be divisible by 8. Let us take example, this number. So we need to check only these 3 numbers. Okay. 8 5s are 40, 2, 8 3s are 24. So this number is divisible by 8, means this complete number is divisible by 8. Okay. We need not to perform actual division of complete number. Last 3 digit is divisible by 8, means the number is divisible by 8. By 9. So 9 goes with the rule 3. In 3, what we do? We add the digits. If total number is divisible by 3, total number is divisible by 3. So 9 goes with the same rule. We add the digits. If sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then number is also divisible by 9. Let us take this example. 4 and 3, 7, and 5, 12, plus 6, 18. So sum of digit is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So this complete number is divisible by 9. Okay. So sum of digit is 18, which is divisible by 9. So the number is divisible by 9. And because 18 is also divisible by 3, so the total number is divisible by 3 also. Okay. 10, again very simple. If unit digit is 0, if the number has 0 at unit place, the number is divisible by 10. 3420 at unit place, you can see 0 is there, then this number is divisible by 6. So this is all about 1 to 10. In part 2 video, we will learn 11 and further, and also understand what is the basic rule behind divisibility test. Thank you. I hope you will like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.